Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and I shall just get to it. These are what number are we on? 9? Number 9 I think it is. So number 9 sketch of the day, and sorry for the weird kind of light shining onto the paper. I can't get away from them, it's that time of night now. So for those who are new, thanks very much for joining the video, and we'll just get to it. This is basically how I am becoming a more effective drawer, and by utilising different learning methods, and I am going to share what learning methods I utilise. So I use Goodspeed, and I use Goodspeed for all three of these, and it was actually 3 to 4 minutes. Most of the time it's 3 minutes now. Over the past couple of weeks I have been sketching far quicker now, partly because I'm utilising these methods, and also because I'm drawing with less lines. So we will get on with it, and actually we'll show you a comparison between, what month are we on? May? Yeah, so May. So there's a comparison between, these were 8 months ago that I drew these. As you see, there's a bit of a difference between the styles, and I leaned heavily on partly shading as well as some dark heavy pencil lines, and I'm trying to get away from that now. However, it does look as if it's really dark on the paper, but it's actually not. So for number 1, the nose was actually a little bit too long. Number 3, the head was far too narrow. This is all comparison to the actual original reference photo I'm talking about, and number 2 is the closest to the reference photo that I was drawing from. I utilised geometric and observational, and number 3 was purely gestural. And I do feel between number 2 and number 3 actually is the closest to it. But yeah, this one has far less lines compared to that one there. So let me know what you think, if you'd like me to describe or explain what these methods are. So Goodspeed, geometric, observational, gestural, Loomis, anything like that, let me know. And also have a look at the rest of the channel and see what my drawing was like even 2 months ago. Thanks guys, bye!